It is the 1st of January right now, so it is technically the new year. And welcome to 2023, everyone. Happy New Year. It's been an amazing year, hasn't it? Wow. I actually, when I think back to how 2022 has been, I'm actually in awe as to how much has happened and how much I've been able to go through and experience and share with you all. It's been an amazing year and so much growth from a personal and business point of view, and from a brand point of view as well, I guess, because I am technically a YouTuber. I've met so many new people and worked on so many cars this year, and everyone that I've met, every car that I've worked on, or everyone that I've met at a car meet, everyone's always had such a smile, and it's just been so easy to talk to people. And I'm not really the kind of person that, is very comfortable, especially with my own cars. I always feel a little bit shy. But just seeing how interested certain people are, even when I do an install and people come to pick up their car and they're asking about the cars and stuff, like the Skyline or the E30, and people have just got all these questions. I'm so grateful to have met these kind of people, and I've genuinely, I feel like I've made some really, really, really nice friends, people that I do still keep in touch with. It's amazing. I'm incredibly happy with how 22 has been, and I kind of wanted to share some information with you, or something that's a little bit of a different insight. I've posted 60 videos this year. I've got some of these stats written down. So I've posted 60 videos this year. That's just on YouTube. I've had 2,687 subscribers, which, thank you all so much. I've had over 813,000 views in the year, which is over 32,000 hours of watch time. And those numbers are amazing to me. I'm like, even looking at them now, I'm just like, how have I been able to do that? Every one of you that have shown some kind of support by giving a like or subscribing, or even just watching the videos, it means a lot to me. It means I'm able to help this culture of being a car enthusiast or modifying your car in one way, shape or form. It's something that, the car scene is drastically changing right now. Every new car, every year we're going to go into it, all the cars are going to kind of bit by bit start becoming very much the same thing. And I'm just happy the fact that I'm able to make a little bit of an impact on people. So you're all able to not just enjoy these cars and these moments with me, learn something, or maybe be inspired to do something to your own car. All of these moments are just really encouraging for me. So I do want to say thank you, everyone, for joining me in 2022. I hope that 2023 is even bigger and better. There's a lot of things that I didn't get to do in 2022 that I've said to myself, they have to get done this year. My E30 project behind me, my Skyline, I want to get loads of work done to that. I need to update you all on all my other cars, and hopefully there might be some changes in the cars that I own, because thinking of selling the Lexus and getting something else, but let's see how that all pans out at the moment. But I think now would be a nice moment to actually recap on 2022 and kind of just see how it's been for me. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you my new car. Yeah, I'm going full time on YouTube. It's just all flaking off. And the clutch on my GTI has decided to fail. Having the car in first gear. Look, got no clutch whatsoever. That looks like it's leaking nicely as well. Right, final startup video from us. Look at how crisp all of this is. Now this is with it all in fully bright mode. So I think that's a good little recap of 2022. But it's kind of important to also talk about what's kind of planned for 2023. One of the things is obviously I'm going to be producing more ambient light install videos. It's obviously a genre that's working for me on YouTube, and it's my bread and butter at the moment. So until other things do pick up, it's kind of going to be one of those main things on the channel. But that is also one of those things that I'm kind of umming and ahhing about moving away from a little bit on the channel and focusing more on what the channel originally started off with, which was the cars that I own and work on and build and really put my own complete, sometimes really, you know, out there and stuff like that, thoughts into what to do. One of the real big things is I really want to get the E30 at least back to a rolling position. Even if the engine's not in, I want to get the car back onto the ground. I want to be able to, you know, start moving it around if I need to, or getting it ready for paint, get the bodywork all done. There's a big reason why I put a big pause on that car, and I'll discuss that in a separate video, but there is a reason why I just kind of came to a complete halt with it, and it's not a really fun reason. So I'll explain that to you all in an upcoming video. With the R32, there's some work that I really want to get done. I want to get the car painted this year and, you know, make it something different and interesting and really stand out and really unique, and drive it as much as I can. There's a whole series that I've got planned with the 32 for this year, and that's something that I'm so excited about, and I really just want to make sure that I can get it done. There's a big mindset behind it all, and something that I really think will be interesting for most of you all. So, you know, make sure to subscribe for that. I also need to recap on my 6 Series, because in many ways that's also one of the big catalyst cars for my channel, and it's been AWOL basically for the last year, and there's a reason behind that. So there's a lot of work and stuff that I want to do with that, and I'll basically be coming up with a recap video of each one of my cars and, you know, discussing what the plans are for 2023. Yeah, that's me. That's 2022 wrapped up and 2023 in progress now. So I do want to say thank you all again for joining me on my journey. I hope what I have planned for 2023 is interesting. You know, there's a lot of journeys that are going to be happening, a lot of new cars to be working on, and some special things that I have planned in the works as well. And I guess in many ways as well, a lot of things that just need to get finished off. But yeah, but everyone, you have all been amazing. Thank you to every one of you that have joined me, and I look forward to spending more time with you all in 2023. So for now, I'll see you in a new video. Take care. Bye.